What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to set up your first email campaign on the Brevo. For that the process is very simple. You can start campaign on the top right side where it says create a campaign option. Once you click on the link in the description, it will lead you to this dashboard. Once you're logged in, you will see this interface as it is. If you have already created one campaign, then you won't be able to see this option. What you have to do then is to go to the automations, and in the automations you will see different options. So go to the marketing and click on the campaigns and click on emails. So here you are going to start the first email campaign. Select your name. You cannot add tags, you cannot add folders because you cannot do A/B testing because there are not the standard plan options, free plan options. Just click on create campaign and then you will be able to create the campaigns. Add the recipient, select the context that you want to use for the recipient. For example, the name of the list, your first folder. For example, I have two lists made and I'm going to select this one. Go ahead and select this one and then save it. Once saved, add the subject, add the design, and for the additional settings you can personalize it to send it to fields and send in tracking. You cannot add tags, but you can add subscription option, designs, and all that stuff. Then save it and then run it. This is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.